By the modern era, much of the public is aware of the hazardous properties of radium. However, fewer of the public is aware of the hazardous properties that came with the radioactive powder in the case of the Radium Girls. However, since its discovery in 1868, radium has been used in consumer products all the way until 1968. Why? People have been knowing this as hazardous, so why would they keep using it? My name is Vivian Kim, and I'm here to explain to you the effects of the illusory truth effect and also the history. So first, what is the illusory truth effect? The illusory truth effect is when a piece of misinformation is constantly spread to others. It is constantly repeated and thought to be true, leading to the public thinking it is also true. A common example of this kind of phenomenon is the fact that on average, 8 spiders are swallowed by students per year. However, this is very untrue. We know that we do not swallow 8 spiders in our sleep. Despite this, many people still believe this as a fun fact due to its widespread information. Due to the internet-driven society we have today, internet and a lot of information is spread very fast. It's spread from all the way from America all the way to Asia and everywhere in between. However, misinformation also spreads this way, along with rumors and gossip. Rumors and gossip can lead to many different types of harm or even death to many people. An example of this is from a school environment. In my school, gossiping is a huge problem that we have. Because of the gossip, there has been many suspensions, but there was one recently that brought many people's attention. It started with one student telling their friends about how another 8th grader in their grade had spread death threats to other students. This was not true, but as the students spread the information, people believed it as true, even if there was no actual evidence. Soon the students spread it to the teachers, and the teachers were shown evidence of the alleged death threats. This also was not true, but the student was still suspended. This isn't the end of the story, however. Still, people realized that later on that the student who were allegedly sending the death threats didn't actually send the death threats. They were all just rumors. But because so many people believed it, it was thought as true. And because the suspension was already given, it was too late to take it out. However, this illusory truth effect isn't just a modern day problem. It has been occurring for many, many years. There has also been cases such as the Radium Girls. I want to give a little more information on Radium Girls itself. Radium Girls was about watchdoll painters who suffered horrific deaths because of the radioactive powder they swallowed. A little more depth into the radium itself. So radium, when it first enters your body, is like calcium. It gets into your bones. However, instead of strengthening your bones, it ruins it. It decays and it causes it to destruct itself. Since the dial painters swallowed radioactive powder, this meant that their jawbones, their gums, and their teeth all would decay. As the radium spread to other parts of the body, they included having stomach problems, anemia, cataract, sarcomas, and many much more symptoms. As the symptoms grew, their pain also grew, and many withered and died in horrific states. However, the profit-hungry companies did not want this to show. They said it in newspapers, advertisements, and slogans about how radium is a wonder drug. A wonder drug that will provide health and much years to your lifespan. This was untrue, but because of the widespread of it, everyone believed it. However, there are ways to prevent the illusory truth effect. The first thing we should do is to not click share, especially on social media, about a fun fact. These fun facts may not be actually true, and you would just be spreading more information. If we want to stop misinformation, we need to stop the sources that come from it. Second, we need to check the context of many of our sources. Especially if it's about something someone said, We need to make sure that it wasn't just taken out of context. That it is, maybe someone said something, but it might not be controversial. People just edited it to bring more clout to it. And third, we should use verifiable information. Things from trusted websites and trusted newspapers, not something you just find out on the internet. Humans are especially gullible when they have information spreading around. This illusory truth effect has been around since many, many years, as I said. It could be from newspapers, it could be from lit blogs, it could be from schools, it could be from oral. It doesn't really matter, it's still going to spread. However, we need to ensure that this type of information is stopped and we only have verifiable and accurate information for us and the younger generation that comes. Thank you, my name is Vivian Kim.